Frontline workers are the backbone of the manufacturing industry. And in today's rapidly evolving landscape, yesterday's tools are often not enough to get today's job done. Microsoft Teams brings all the tools your manufacturing workforce needs into one app. Connect your factory floor so workers can resolve issues faster with access to the information and experts they need when they need it. Securely communicate and share, from pictures and files to push-to-talk communication. Your team can stay connected, whether on a shared device or an employee's personal device. Collaborate using devices that are purpose-built for your environment, indoors, outdoors, or in hazardous locations. Connect your corporate to the factory floor with targeted communication to specific locations and roles. Digitize your processes to meet the business's fluctuating needs. Manage shift schedules backed by workforce management systems. Perform routine inspections and track machine repairs and approvals across the team. Need more? No problem. Configure your business processes with custom apps to get the job done. Accelerate learning and onboarding with immersive environments for training and employee skilling, helping them to be productive from day one. Don't wait for the future with yesterday's tools. Innovate today with Microsoft Teams.